You may have seen this word many times. AUM 5,000 crore, AUM 20,000 crore. And you may think, wow, this fund is very big or this fund is small. So maybe it is risky. But do you really know what is AUM and what does it actually tell about a mutual fund? Today I will explain AUM in the simplest way possible. No technical words, no boring explanation, only simple logic. First, understand this line. AUM means total money a fund is managing. That's it. If 1 lakh people together invest 10,000 rupees each, then total money becomes 100 crore rupees. That's 100 crore is called AUM. So, AUM equals to total public money in that fund. Think like this. A water tank, if 10 people pour water, small tank. If 1000 people pour water, big tank. The water tank is like AUM. More people invest, bigger AUM. Less people invest, smaller AUM. Simple. Very important thing. AUM is not fixed. It changes every day because new people invest, some people withdraw, market goes up and down. So even if nobody invests or withdraws, market movements alone can change AUM. Now the biggest confusion, many people think big AUM, better fund. Small AUM, bad fund. This is wrong. AUM only tells one thing, how much money is inside the fund. It does not tell how good the fund is, how much return it will give, how safe it is. AUM is not for choosing good or bad fund. AUM is for understanding fund size, understanding how big the crowd is, understanding how much money is being handled. That's all, nothing more. Remember this one line. AUM does not make you rich. AUM only tells you how big the fund is. That's it. Now you will never get confused by AUM is big or AUM is small. You will think logically. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with one friend. See you in the next video.